Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. I'm so excited today, guys. I have a new company to me. Anyways, I actually purchased it from Amazon. Some of you probably know what this tube is. It is Kotart, and that is going to be the image. I'm gonna take a look at the canvas and tell you guys about it, and then I have an announcement at the end of this video. I hope I don't cut myself, because that would be a big announcement, right? And that's not the kind of announcement I want to have for you guys. Is surprise, I have to go get stitches. And I've told you guys before, I am really clumsy, so I'm excited about this because I've only seen them unboxed on other people's channels. I've never seen one in person, and because the image is really cute, I like all the colors. So alright, so we're gonna put that to the side. I want to pull this first. It has it's a 16 by 20 inch. This one doesn't give it to you in I lost my words. It doesn't give it to you in centimeters, and it has 30 colors. They're both let's see, they're done with DMC numbers, and then the amount, I don't know if it's the amount you need or the amount they give you. I'm assuming the amount you need, but I could be wrong. And then instructions. I like that it comes in a tube because the canvas looks like it's really good. Comes with stickers. The toolkit, it has a lot of pins. So there are 4 pins with different multi-placers. Each of them has a single placer. Has 2 boats, some wax, and some baggies, which is kind of cool. It gives you extras of everything. And we're going to look at the canvas really quick. It's poured glue, which I've said before and I'll say it again, that's my preferred, that's my favorite. The colors look darker on the camera than they do in person. In person they're brighter. They're very vivid colors. They kind of just look darker from, I'm looking at my screen, and they just look darker than they really are. It is going to be very sticky. The drill field, the symbols are very clear. I'm going to get my tape measure so I can see if it's the drill field or if it's the whole canvas size, because like I said, I've never done this myself. These colors are so pretty. I really like the colors. So that's going to be a 35 centimeter, which is almost a 14 inch, and by 17.5 inch, which is going to give us like a 45 centimeter. So I think it's the whole canvas, not the drill field. If not, they're off, but it's still a very, very nice canvas. It's got a really pretty image. The colors, like I said, are super vibrant. I like that. It's a very thick canvas. It's not soft, but it is a very thick canvas. And it's not super plasticky, so I like that it will hold up. And like I said, it being in that tube has kept it looking really good. So yay for that. And we're going to look at the colors. I'm going to pause you while I take this out of the plastic so it's not so loud. Well, I didn't pause you, I stopped you, so I'm restarting another video. I'll have to put them together to make this video. Those are the things I do, guys. Sorry about that. So we're gonna start with, I think it's $8.92. I would have to look, but we're just gonna kind of look over the colors and see what I have here, and then see, again, we go with these color variations. I love how they're just a slight variation because it just gives it so much more detail and depth. And that's a lot of that yellow. It's very pretty. Purples and greens. And I know I have told you guys about 100 times already that like black, grays, and teals are and aqua type colors are my favorites, but I really do like bright and colorful things. So this is really cute. So I want to make sure I have all the colors here, so I'm going to count them out off camera because it's super noisy and it takes a minute. But I want to give you guys the special announcement part of the video. This canvas right here with and like I said, I'm going to make sure I have all the drills. I'm going to make sure everything is here and accounted for. I did order it on Amazon. I will provide the link, but I'm going to do this little bag, this drill pin that has never been used, it's brand new, this everlasting tip that I have in this baggie, and this container of the gold standard PaddyWaxx super sticky are all going to be a giveaway. So I'm giving somebody, whoever wins, I'm going to give them this whole thing so they can get diamond painting and do this cute little kit and get it all, you know, done up and everything with a cute little diamond painting pen and super sticky PaddyWaxx and all the fun things. I'm going to be sending this to somebody. So I will be adding a Google Doc in the description of this video, and there will be a question, and it won't be anything crazy or personal, but I'm going to ask you a question in that, and I'm going to give you, today is Tuesday, I'm going to have this video load tomorrow, which is Wednesday, the August 26th. This is going to go through September 2nd, so 1 week. I'm going to do that again like I did last time. I'm going to give you guys 1 week to get to be able to watch the video and to get the Google Doc filled out and to submit it, and then I will be choosing a winner from the Google Doc forms that I get back. So if you guys want to win this cute canvas and the drill pin and the PaddyWaxx in the bag, go ahead and make sure you fill out that Google Doc, and good luck to anybody who wants to win it. I really think it's cute. I might have to order one for myself. I really like the colors. Anyhow, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. Bye guys, I hope you have a great day.